Okay, first of all, we can use the tools which names rotate rectangle. Click from this origin and then click to the right side around 6 meter and enter. Then we can move it to the behind around 17 meter, enter. Okay, and then we can click the surface and select a push pull around 400 millimeter. Then we can click this line and select move, tap control, move to the behind 1.2 meter, enter. Okay, then we can click this plane and push it down around 50 millimeter. Okay, then we can triple click and make group. And now we can make the basic shape with using rectangle. Click from the corner until to the corner. Then click the surface and offset it inside 150 millimeter. Okay, then we can click this plane, right click and erase. Then we can click this surface and push it up around 3.5 meter, enter. Okay, now we can triple click and make group, and then we can select the rectangle, click from the corner to the corner, just like this. Then we can scale it to the front around 1 meter, and we can move this line, select move this line to the right side around 1.5 meter, enter. Then we can make it similar. We can make it we can make it the same position with this wall, and then we can click this surface and push it down around 400 millimeter. Okay, now we can make group, and then we can make the basic object first. We can using this, select the rectangle in here, and or we can make we can clear about this space to make it the stair, to make the stair space over there, and some room in here. Then we can make it perfect position. Okay, and then we can select the rectangle, click from the corner to the corner, and we can push it up 3.5 meter and enter. Okay, right now we can make the exploration of the shape. We can make the shape exploration. We can use okay, we can make the simple openings first in here, just like this, and just like this. Okay, okay, and after that we can explore. We can explore it again. Maybe we can push it to the right side again, and we can push it to the front side, and we can push it to the right side again in here. Then we can push it up again just a little bit. Okay, and then we can triple click and also make group. Anyway, for the distance from this floor until the ceiling is around 3 meters. Okay, this is the basic shape. Now we can make the another meshing again. Okay, then we can make the little bit position in here and triple click, make group. Okay, right now we can make some another elements like this. Okay, then now we can make the simple entrance. Anyway, this is it has a simple entrance in here. We can move this one, and we can add more meshing in here. We can add more meshing. Okay, then we can make group, and we can add more slab in here. We can add more slab. Okay, or maybe it's just for the entrance. It's for entrance meshing, and this is the opening. This is the entrance opening in here. Okay, and then we can make the barrier. Anyway, this is a barrier of this house. Okay, this is a barrier of this house, and the right side it's also a barrier of this house. It's also a barrier of this house, but we can make it on the surface, and then we can move it right side 1.5 meter. It has a little easel over there, and then we can make the side. You can make the side in here, and also to this position, and then we can make group. Okay. Then we can make the step. Okay, make the step in here. Okay, anyway, this is like sounds like a natural stone over there. So we can assign about the materials with using the glazing. We can use the glazing materials. We can move and duplicate. We can type /and enter, and also this one. This is about the glazing. You can select move, type /and enter, and we can make stepping again in here. Okay, right now we can make the elements. We can make some elements, additional elements in here, and this is additional element also. Okay, now we can assign about the color materials. This one, and sorry, yeah, this is for the front, and okay, this is for slab, for pavement, and this is for the wood materials over there. We can make another stone, okay, in here, and also in here another stone, and it has another stone again. Anyway, this is maybe look like more okay. I make another stone with this one. Okay, just like this, and then okay, I think we can also explore more about the shaping to make it more geometric. Okay, just like this. We can add more geometric, but not too much. Okay, it's look like a more geometric facade design. And you can also add the line again and move it okay, just like this. Then we can also add it, make it more geometrical, just like this. Okay, and we can also assign the materials for the entrance over there, and we can also explore that it can be folded. Okay, now we can assign about the wood materials maybe in here, and also in here, or maybe we can make it let it white color. Okay, then now we can screenshot. We can now screenshot this one to make it realistic rendering. You can place to the Gemini, and I've already prepared. Okay, we have already prepared copy the prompt in here and activate the nano banana, and just wait for the rendering. It takes time about the rendering, but I believe the result will perfect, will help us to create the inspiration and also the rendering itself. Okay, it's amazing. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to join for this channel subscription or channel membership, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.